In this video, I'm going to show you the most used Canva shortcuts this 2025 according to Canva itself. So make sure you stick around until the end if you want to become a pro designer in less than an hour just by using keyboard tricks. And if you stay until the end, I'll also share how to access our totally free Canva crash course so you can keep learning more after this. Instead of clicking around the screen trying to add elements one by one, Canva actually gives you shortcuts that drop things onto your canvas instantly. For example, if you want to add text, you don't have to open the text panel anymore. Just press T and a text box appears right where you need it. Same goes for shapes. Pressing R instantly adds a rectangle, and hitting C gives you a circle on the spot. And when you're laying out graphics and need a clean divider or guide, pressing L instantly creates a line, no dragging or scrolling through menus needed. Managing these elements becomes even easier once you start duplicating with Ctrl plus D or Command plus D. Grouping with Ctrl plus G and ungrouping with Ctrl plus Shift plus G, and locking elements in place with Alt Shift L, so nothing accidentally moves. These shortcuts might seem simple, but together they cut your design time in half and make everything feel smooth and effortless. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, if you want to access our totally free Canva crash course, just check out the pinned comment down below. And here's a bonus shortcut that no one talks about since you stayed till the end of this video. If you're working on layering 2 or more elements and you want to bring a specific one in front, simply press Ctrl plus right bracket and Ctrl plus left bracket to bring it backward. No more going back and forth to the Positions tab and dragging your element one by one. I hope you learned something from this tutorial, and stay tuned for our next episode in our year-end Canva wrap-up, where we will rank the top 10 most useful hacks of 2025. And don't forget to join our free tutorial on how to sell Canva templates online, where we'll teach you the exact steps to create your own templates, set up a free online store, and market your designs effectively so you can start generating sales. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.